Good morning. How are you all? Hope so. You are fine and doing well at your homes. As you know, your online classes has began from today. So I am here with your first chapter of English portion. What is pink? Now, what is pink? Pink क्या है? Now, once you just stop yourself and just look around yourself, whatever thing you see in pink in color, just keep in your mind. I am sitting in my room and just I got to look around myself and I found a box which has a pink color teddy on it. Do you see like these things? Yes. Now in this poem we are going to just discuss that which color which things has which color. Okay, there are many things which has different colors, not one specifically one color. Okay, in this poem we are going to learn about that only. This poem, What is Pink, is written by Christiana Rossetti. She was an English poet. Okay, she used to write the poem on children's fantasy. Whatever the children dreamt of, they just desire to have that thing. Now, moving to the poem. Some things come in more than one color. Okay, I told you earlier that some things मतलब कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो एक से ज्यादा कलर में अवेलेबल होती हैं. ओके, सम थिंग्स आर देयर दैट कम्स इन मोर देन वन कलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a leaf is green but turns yellow, orange or brown in autumn. Okay, here poet has given the example of leaf. She is telling that leaf is green in color. Yes, you also know that you have seen your houses in the gardens. Leaves are in which color? Yes, green in color. But it turns yellow, orange or brown in autumn season. Autumn season is what? Patjhad season, in which the old leaves falls down and new leaves arises. Same way, the leaves turn yellow, orange or brown in color in autumn. Now here the poet is saying that more example can you give of the things that has more than one color? Not the leaf only, animals also are there. So, for example, lizard, chameleon. These all can change the color, but there is a reason behind of these animals changing the color. One reason is that they used to protect themselves from enemies, so they changes their color. Okay, wherever they sit, they just change their color. They sit on the trees, on the branches, they get in brown color. They sit on leaves, they become green in color. The lizard just stick on the wall, they become of the wall color. Okay, just because they have to protect themselves from the enemies, so they have these powers to change their color, and it is natural. Can you name two other things that come in more than one color? Okay, here now poet is asking, can you name any two things which comes more than one color? Just guess. Okay, let me tell you two things. After that two things you will tell in homework. Okay, I'll ask in the next period. Now the first one is sky. You have seen sky in the morning. Which color it is? Yes, it is blue in color. But when you see in the night, it comes in which color? Yes, black color. So it has two colors. Sky also changes its color. In morning it becomes blue and in night it is black in color. Now again one more example I'll give you of sun. Sun is in which color? Sun is in yellow color in morning, but in evening when it sets, it comes in something oranges or red in color. You have seen that. Setting sun, rising sun, many of them have seen, but setting sun anybody have seen? Yes, most of them have seen, because in the evening we mostly just go on a walk for 2 or 3 minutes on our terrace or in the road. Okay, we just see the sunsets in most of the orange in color. So I have given you the two examples. In next period I will ask you the two more examples of the things that changes color. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now moving to the poem. What is pink? A rose is pink. Now here the poet is asking, what is pink? Pink क्या है? a rose is pink. And the poet says, by seeing in the nature only, that poet say a rose is pink, means rose is in which color? Pink color. Okay, now you can tell me which color rose is available? Yes, there are many colors, red, yellow, black. Roses are available in every color, but most of the time it is which color? Pink color. And the poet asks, what is pink? Rose is pink. By the fountains bring. Now, what is fountain? It is a natural sprinkler of water. You have seen showers in your home, how the waters come in a sprinkle way. So same way, it has a sprinkle in that. Okay, now brings at the edge. Brink means at the edge. So fountains bring means it is the sprinkle, as a sprinkle of water falls at the edge of the fountain. It comes in which color? Pink color. So this line is clear. What is pink? A rose is pink. By the fountains brink. Okay. It is clear that rose is also pink, and as the fountain's water falls at the edge of the fountain, and it also comes in little pinkish color. You might have seen that fountain. Okay. Now it is clear to everyone? Hope so it is clear. What is red? A pawpaw is red. Okay. Now here poet is asking what is red? Seeing in the nature, red kya hai? A pawpaw is red. Pawpaw is what? A wild flower. It is a wild जंगली flower है ये, जिसके ऊपर black seeds रहती हैं. तो pawpaw is red. Pawpaw, now author is telling that what is red? A pawpaw is red. If one flower is there in the nature, that is red. In its barley bed. What is barley? It is a type of crop. You have seen the barley swarm. When you have noticed, when the sun just throws its little bit of light rays on these barley farms, it just we can see that it comes in little maroonish reddish in color. So the poet compares the red color to the barley bed also. There also the small flowers of barleys are there, and they also show somewhat reddish in color. Okay, then the poet is saying that what is red? Pawpaw is red. In its barley's bed. What is blue? Poet is asking, blue kya hai? What is blue? The sky is blue. Yes, we have seen in morning the sky is blue. Most probably the sky remains blue. Only at night it becomes black. Where the clouds float through. Where the clouds float through means where the clouds moves from one place to another. What are clouds? Clouds are Badal, which is in which color? White color. You have seen a big sky, okay? But the clouds doesn't remain on one portion of the sky. It just floats. It just moves from one place to other. Clear? Hope so it is clear. What is white? A swan is white. Okay, now poet is asking, what is white? Safed kya hai? Swan is white. Swan is a bird which is white in color. Just remains in water. Sailing in the light. Sailing in the light means she just floats in the light. मतलब वो रिवर में ही फ्लोट करती रहती है, बट जब लाइट रहती है. कभी आप लोगों ने देखा हो नाइट में से स्वैन को फ्लोट करते हुए? नो, यू हैव नॉट सीन दैट. आई थिंक सो. Okay, the swan only floats in the light. It doesn't floats in the night time. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. What is yellow? Pears are yellow. Now the poet is asking, what is yellow? You have seen what is yellow? Pears are yellow. What are pears? Pears, you have eaten pears? Anyone? See this type of pears. You have eaten pears? You might be have eaten. Asked your parents. Okay, pears is a type of an apple only. It is not an apple, but is a type of an apple. Okay, pears, but it is yellow in color and very tasty. You should try. Rich and ripe and mellow. Okay, it is rich in vitamin. Pears are very good for our health. It is rich in vitamin. Ripe means it is easy to cut and it is eaten. You have to not cook it, not bake it, just you have to wash it, cut it and eat it. And so it is little time, we can just save our time. We have to not, because we have to not cook it, just we have to wash it and just cut it. And mellow. What is mellow? Mellow means soft and smooth. Soft and smooth. Soft means बहुत ही मुलायम, smooth, and it just you have to catch in your hand. It is really very soft and smooth. So pears are yellow. What are pears? Pears are yellow, rich in vitamin, easy to eat, and soft and mellow. Is it clear, everyone, this poem? Now let us revise. Here the poet is asking what is pink. A rose is pink. Poet says that there is a rose and that is pink. By the fountain's brink. Fountains means it is a sprinkler of water. Brink means at the edge. Okay, at the edge. Fountain's brink. What is red? Red is pawpaw. Okay, what is pawpaw? Pawpaw is a wild flower. It is found in the jungles only. Okay, and the poet says that what is red? Pawpaw is red. In the barley's bed. What is barley? Barley is a grain. It is a crop, and that also when we see in the sun, it also becomes red in color. Now, poet asks, what is blue? Sky is blue. We know that sky is blue where the clouds float. We see different types of clouds on it. What is white? A swan is white. It is a type of bird that floats in the river, and that is white. What is yellow? Pears are yellow. We know that pears are yellow, which are easy to eat, rich in vitamin, and soft and smooth. Is it clear, everyone? Hope so it is clear. And now this much only for today we'll do. Next we will complete this poem in next session. Now there is a homework for you. You have to just ask your parents about other birds that cannot fly. You have to write the name of bird that cannot fly on these column. Here the children is asking कि आपको पता है क्या? Did you know that there are birds that cannot fly? You know that there are birds that cannot fly? Then he is to this boy is asking, and he says, yes, penguins cannot fly. They spread most of their life in water. They spread most of their life in water. पानी में रहते हैं. तो here penguins he has given the example. Now the same way you have to ask your parents and write the name of the birds that do not fly. And also you have to complete your cursive book, page number 1. You have to just complete your cursive book also, and you have to make the drawing of this and just write the poem how much I have taught today. Okay, up to this. I have to write the poem and just make these drawings on it, color it, do very beautifully. You are at home, you get enough time to do. Okay, until we meet. Okay, now just this session I'll end. Just stay at your home, stay healthy and take care of yourselves. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.